Namaste and good morning, ma'am. I am Sudhir Avinish, and this is the third day or day 3 since I have planted my neem seed. And today I have noticed or observed some sort of growth in the seed. Let's look at it deeply and also the processes behind this sort of growth. As you can see that here I have planted 2 neem seeds. Both the neem seeds have a small outgrowth in them. This is called the earlier root system of the seed. In terminologies, it is referred as the radicle. Fine, this small radicle has lot to do with the seed. It has undergone and also will undergo some of the processes which it will be requiring for the growth of the seed or the sapling. I will be sharing these processes in a couple of minutes with you. The circle part, what you see here, is what called as radicle. Fine, let's look at the processes. After the seed has made it to a new location and is covered with dirt, it can begin the germination. Germination is a process of seeds developing into new plants. First, environmental conditions must trigger the seed to grow. Usually, this is determined by how deep the seed is planted, also depends upon the water availability and temperature. When the water is plentiful, the seeds fill with water in a process called imbibition. The water activates the special proteins called enzymes. That begins the process of seed growth. First, the seed grows a root, or in early stage it is called as radicle, which penetrates itself into the soil and fixes itself firmly to access the water underground. Next, the shoots or growth above the ground begins to appear. The seed sends a shoot towards the surface, where it will grow leaves to harvest energy from the sun. The leaves continue to grow towards the light source in a process called photomorphogenesis. This is my observation of the third day or day 3. Thank you for watching. I am Sudhir Avinish, and this has been my 7th day since I have planted my neem seed. And today it has become a neem sapling and also attained a very interesting and important sort of growth. Let's look at it, and also we will detailedly discuss why it has occurred. I'm gonna take a small tour towards my neem sapling. As you can see, it has attained a very impressive growth in it, and also today morning it has shedded its seed coat. The encircle part, what you see right now here, is what we call as the seed coat. It has been removed by the sapling by today morning since it has attained a growth. Now let's talk about the actual growth. The encircle part, what you see here now, is what we call as cotyledon. Let's look detailedly about its functions. This is the final stage of the seed germination. In this stage, the cell of the seeds are elongated and divided. This which brings out the root and radicle out of the seed, and cotyledons are expanded, which are true leaves of the new plant. A cotyledon is a significant part of the embryo within the seed of a plant and is defined as the embryonic leaf in seed-bearing plants. In case of dicot seedlings, whose cotyledons are photosynthetic, the cotyledons are functionally similar to the leaves. However, true leaves and cotyledon are developmentally distinct. Cotyledons are formed during embryogenesis along with the root and shoot meristem and are therefore present in the seed prior to germination. True leaves, however, are formed as part of embryonically, that is, after germination from the shoot apical meristem, which is responsible for generation of subsequent aerial portions of the plant. The cotyledon contain the stored food reserves of the seed. As the reserves are used up, the cotyledons may turn green and begin photosynthesis, or may either, as the first one of the leaves, can take over food production of the seedling. This is my day 7 observation, and the next observation will be the day when cotyledons dry up and fall down. Thank you and have a nice day.